Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to create an email signature in Outlook quickly and easily. First, open your browser and go to the Outlook login page. Click Sign In and enter your credentials to access your mailbox. Next, click the New Mail button at the top left corner to open a new email draft. In the draft window, go to the Insert menu at the top, then select Signature and choose Signatures from the drop-down. This will open the Signatures and Stationery window. Click New to create a fresh signature and give it a name to help you identify it later. Then use the text box to add your name, title, company, phone number, or any other information you want to include. You can also format your signature using fonts, colors, and hyperlinks to make it look professional. Once satisfied, assign the signature to your emails in the default signatures section, choosing whether it should appear on new emails, replies, forwards, or all. Finally, click OK to save your changes. Your professional Outlook email signature is now ready to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.